Fishing, bit of fishing. Well, this is a transducer that we've put over the side of the ship. We're sending a coded sound message down to an acoustic release that's at the bottom of the sea. And we'll do this probably about 3 times around the mooring site to try and get an exact position of where the mooring is.
A mooring is essentially a long bit of wire in the ocean with floats attached to various points up it and oceanographic instruments hanging underneath those floats.
It's a very, very expensive wire. We lost one of the ones that we'd put into the Southern Ocean last year, and it's cost us several $100,000 to replace. It's not an exercise for the faint-hearted.
There's really no other way to get a time series of measurements from the depths of the ocean.
We need to measure things frequently enough that we're capturing the natural climate variation as well as any man-made climate change. We literally deploy the gear over the back of the ship and we hope it's there when we get back. There's no way of knowing what's happened to it until we go back and look.
We have a range of instruments, current meters, temperature loggers, sediment traps, instruments for measuring carbon dioxide in the water. This is probably close to the 20th time we've visited this site.
So we're just turning it around, replacing the instruments, refreshing all the hardware such as the wire that might have got rusty in that time, and we'll be leaving it again now for about another 8 months.
We do see changes in the ocean circulation. We do see changes in the salinity of the ocean.
We've seen parts of the ocean freshen. For example, the Ross Sea region around Antarctica has got fresher over the last 4 decades.
At the polar areas, the waters are becoming less saline, which implies that they're becoming less dense. Then we may be altering the way the thermohaline circulation operates, which means that we're altering the distribution of heat around the planet. That is a big change if it happens.
And we've seen warming trends in the ocean, but the problem we're still having is whether those are part of the natural variability or are a longer term signal.